Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. I normally do test drives, reviews of our vehicles. Over the years, my channel has got bigger and bigger, and people keep sending me stuff to test. I do educational videos, I suppose, about how you use your Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay and so on. And Apple CarPlay has got to a stage now where I believe from next year it may even take over your instrumentation. They're working on it to such a degree that it will tell you how fast you're going and just do everything. At the moment, all these audio systems in cars are really a waste of time. They're outdated in no time at all. 12 months time, you know, your sat nav's out of date from the moment you get it. Whereas with your phone, it's updated virtually every day. Every time you see there's an Apple update and so on. So all this should do is just put an interface in. I mean, this car's got Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio system, streaming, sat nav and so on. But it's also got Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is the best system. It really is so simple to use. You don't need to take your hands off the steering wheel to work it. But still, in some cars, there is a drawback to it. For instance, this car has got Apple CarPlay, but it's connected Apple CarPlay. So, I mean, this is an extra long charging lead, so you know you don't have to have this. But charging lead, we plug that in there, and then we plug it into the phone, like so, and just watch the phone and the system. In a second, it's now charging. Allow CarPlay with Land Rover Discovery while phone locked. You want to do that. Otherwise, you still have to touch your phone. And you see there, straight away, it's come up, Apple CarPlay. I mean, it's a brilliant system. It mirrors your phone completely. So all the things that are compatible with Apple CarPlay, like so. But that's when you plug it in. Now, when you plug it in, you've then got, you know, you can perhaps stick your phone there or up there or in there, but it's basically in the way. And I know you say, oh, once it's plugged in, it's charging your phone. But then, of course, these days, they're coming out with wireless charging. So you can just put your phone down if you want to charge it, and you don't have to have this. So, very kindly, Ottocast Play2Video Pro all-in-one multimedia adapter. Now, I've been sent this to test. They've not told me what to say. They probably don't realise that I don't like reading instructions, but there you go. There's an instruction manual anyway, so we'll chuck that away. That's the actual unit. Under here, you've got two little charging leads. It's in the box. It's a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-A to a USB-C. So you know your normal kind of charging point. You can update this, I believe, with a USB dongle, download stuff. But at the moment, that's it. So I unplug my phone. Your Apple CarPlay's gone off. So I'm going to put that down there, plug that in there, and you'll see there's a red light on. Now then, Apple CarPlay's come up. So we've plugged this in, not the phone, Apple CarPlay's come up. Remember, for this device, I'm going to tick that, Apple CarPlay. That's what I want. Android, it's booting up. We're on to CarPlay. The other thing with this, which I'll just warn you about, you can get Netflix and YouTube, and there are other apps you can get and put onto the home screen. I'm going to put that select app. So I've now got the car app in there. So those are my quick links. Blue light. So now we go to settings, Bluetooth. We're watching out at the bottom. Try and hold that like so. It's searching, and here we go, Play2Video Pro. Bluetooth pair and request, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. So now, in 1 second, Let's try and find it, see where it's gone. Play2Video Pro connected, blue connected to my phone. I don't need to touch my phone anymore. So we'll put that down there. Actually, I will need to touch my phone again in a minute, I think, but we'll see. So that's the screen for the Ottocast. That's it. YouTube, Spotify, Netflix. The current Wi-Fi is occupied by Carplay Android Auto and cannot be used for internet access. Open Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi. So that's switch Wi-Fi on. Add network. Hopefully it's looking for my phone. Now what I need to do here now is go into settings, go into personal hotspot, allow others to join is on. So you'll see there I've just set this password for this video. So it's brought up Barry's iPhone. There, click on it. I need to, funnily enough, the password is exactly the same there, but even so, I'm going to have to put it in again. So click on there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or whatever the password is on your personal hotspot. Then click tick. Communicating, connected. Now, if I go back to home, I click on Netflix. Netflix is coming up, and full disclosure, I've already signed it in once, so click on mine. The first, well, we'll look on a TV show. Click on TV show, whoops. TV shows. And now, Breaking Bad. Yep, Breaking Bad, that's it, that's a good program. So I'm now, and again, please, most cars like Range Rovers, BMWs and so on that have TVs, they will only work when the car is stopped, not when you're driving. Do not use this. Do not use this when you're driving, because I promise you, you will crash. I mean, if you've got an EV and you spend hours and hours charging the damn thing, then this is ideal. You can watch Netflix, you can catch up, you can watch YouTube, you can watch some of my favourite people on YouTube.
The people that are saying that electric car sales are booming cannot be reasoned with. They really can't. And there's a chap that you all ought to follow on Twitter called Barry Crampton, and Barry is a car dealer and he tells it like it is.
And but only when you're charging, only when you're sat there, only when you're on a car park having a picnic. Don't watch it when you're driving. I promise you, if you do, you will crash. So don't. But this Ottocast allows you to watch stuff like Breaking Bad, and also if I just go back, we'll go back to home there. YouTube. I spend hours watching YouTube, and to be honest, I've got 35,000 subscribers, is it? 33,000 subscribers and 35 million views. So thanks to YouTube, thanks to Ottocast, Play2Video Pro. This doesn't have to be on show. The lead they supply you with, the two leads they supply you with, that's the size of them. Get this tucked away. With this plugged in, you get in your car and your phone automatically syncs to your Apple CarPlay. And it, as I say, it just is the best system ever. If we go back to Apple CarPlay, there we go. Apple CarPlay is a fantastic system. Wired Apple CarPlay is a fantastic system. The Ottocast wireless Apple CarPlay adapter makes it even better, makes it even easier to use. It's fantastic. Thanks for sending it me. I can thoroughly recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.